स्टूडेंट, आज हम देख रहे हैं अप्लाइड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दे रहा है, फाइंड टू नंबर्स हुज सम इज 24 एंड हुज प्रोडक्ट इज एज लार्ज एज पॉसिबल। सो गिवन दैट लेट द टू नंबर्स बी x and y, then the sum of two numbers x plus y is equal to 24 given. Let p be the product of these two numbers, then p is equal to xy. So that x y की वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं अपन 24 माइनस एक्स, और p is equal to 24x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। ओके, डिफ्रेंशिएट with respect to x on both sides, then we get dp upon dx is equal to 24 minus 2x. Okay, for dp upon dx is equal to 0, then 24 minus 2x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 12. Okay, again differentiate with respect to x, then we get d square p upon dx square is equal to 0 minus 2. Okay, 0 minus 2, so that d square p upon dx square at x is equal to 12, this is equal to minus 2, and d square p upon dx square is less than 0. Okay, so p is maximum when x is equal to 12. Okay, putting in equation 1 x is equal to 12, then y is equal to 12. Hence the required number are both. Hence the required numbers are both 12. Okay, इसी में देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड टू पॉजिटिव numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and x y cube is maximum. Okay, so that let p is equal to xy cube and x plus y is equal to 60, then y is equal to, or x is equal to 60 minus x. Okay, x is equal to 60 minus y. Putting this value in equation 1, so that p is equal to 60 minus y into y cube. Okay, or p is equal to 60 y cube minus y to power 4. Differentiate with respect to y, then we get dp upon dy is equal to 180 into y square minus 4y cube. Okay, and d square y d square p upon dy square is equal to 360y minus 12y square. Okay. The critical point, the critical point of P are given dp upon dy is equal to 0, so that 180y square minus 4y cube is equal to 0, और 4y square कॉमन ले लिए तो 45 minus y, this is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, और y is equal to 45. Y is equal to 0, not possible. Okay, then d square p upon dy square at y is equal to 45, this is equal to 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 whole square. Okay, this is equal to minus 8100, and d square p upon dy square is less than 0, so that p is maximum when y is equal to 45. Okay, y is equal to 45, then x plus y is equal to 60, x plus 45 is equal to 60, then x is equal to 15. Okay, hence xy cube is maximum when x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 60. Clear? Yes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अपन देख सकते हैं. Find two positive number x and y such that their sum is 35 and the product x square y to power 5 is maximum. Okay, let p is equal to x plus y, x square y to power 5. It is given that x plus y is equal to 35 or x is equal to 35 minus y. Clear? So that p is equal to 35 minus y whole square into y to power 5. Okay, again differentiate with respect to y, then we get dp upon dy is equal to, ये प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शन हो गया तो ये आ गया 2 times 35 minus y into minus 1 into y to power 5 plus 35 minus y whole square into 5 y to power 4. This is equal to minus 2, 35 minus y into y to power 5 plus 5 times 35 minus y whole square into y to power 4. Okay, then dp upon dy is equal to y to power 4 कॉमन हो गया, 35 माइनस वाई ये कॉमन, यहाँ से बचा माइनस 2y प्लस 5 टाइम्स 35 माइनस वाई. ओके, दिस इज इक्वल टू y to power 4 35 minus y minus 2y minus 2y plus 175 minus 5y. Okay, this is equal to y to power 4 35 minus y 175 minus 7y. Okay, this is equal to y to power 4 35 minus y into 7 times 7 कॉमन आ गया, ये आ गया 25 minus y. Okay, the critical point of P are given by dp upon dy is equal to 0. Then dp upon dy is equal to 0. This is equal to 7y to power 4 into 35 minus y into 25 minus y is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0, y is equal to 35 and y is equal to 25. Okay, but y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 35 are not possible because the sum of two numbers is 35. Okay, so that y is equal to 25. Again, d square p upon dy square, this is equal to 28 y to power 4 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शन से कर रहे हैं, y to power 3 into 35 minus y into 25 minus y minus time 7y to power 4 into 25 minus y minus 7 times y to power 4 35 माइनस y. ये प्रोडक्ट आप टू फंक्शन से करनी है इसका डिफरेंशिएट, सो दैट डी स्क्वेयर पी अपॉन डी वाई स्क्वेयर एट वाई इज इक्वल टू 25. दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7 टाइम 25 टू पावर 4 इंटू 35 माइनस 20. दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस टाइम 27 into 25 to power 4 into 10 is less than 0, so that P is maximum. P is maximum when y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 25, then x is equal to 10. Okay, thank you.